Alright, Jay here today at Kiperts Trailer Sales. Today I'm going to show you our brand new 4-star stock combo. This trailer is going to have a swing out saddle rack that you can see right here that will swing inside the tack room, right in front of our water tank that's in the corner here, hidden away, nice and easy to get your water to. But yeah, it's going to be out of the way and not take up any room in your 4-foot tack room. Right here you can see we're going to have bridle hooks on the wall. We're going to have a storage area in the bench right here. We're going to have a pad rack that clips to the wall. We're gonna have ourselves a good old-fashioned heavy door right here. This door's gonna be bigger than most doors, which is gonna be nice because you're gonna be able to get in and out of the trailer with all your equipment and whatever you need without having to worry about going through a small, tiny little door. So believe it or not, here in Western Washington, for the last couple days, it's been raining like a cow peeing on a flat rock here. And you can see that this trailer floor has no water on it. That's because we have a sure grip flooring. This sure grip flooring is great for your horses. You don't need any more sawdust or pellets inside the trailer. The moisture is going to wick to the ground from inside the trailer. You can dump a bucket of water right on here. It'll go right through the floor. It's awesome flooring to have. You can see I just walked out of our stud stall. You can open it from both sides. We're going to have an escape door at the head of the stud stall with padding and a chest bar across there. We're going to have a bunch of tie hooks on this side of the trailer. We're going to have LED lighting on the inside. So this trailer is going to have LED lighting all the way around it in the inside and the outside. We got light switches right here we can play with, get the lights on and off when we're outside the trailer saddling up, unloading cows, whatever you need. Right here we're going to have a cut gate on the back of this trailer for sorting or whatever you need it for. Great option to have on our 4-star trailers. If you're looking for the perfect trailer, stock trailer, bumper pull, living quarters, that's going to fit all of your needs. You're going to be able to customize it to whatever you want, or you can go with the base model. 4-star trailers is a trailer that you want to have. These trailers are dependable. They're the best trailers made on the lineup today. Come in and see me, Jed at Kiperts Trailer Sales, if you want the best 4-star trailer.